A person who has done a 5-year law, and if he decides to do a MBA, that too in finance, his knowledge of financial laws will correlate with the MBA finance. Simple words में, we all have to work, we have to learn to work with people with different backgrounds of their past education. And since it is a team effort, you all have to have an open approach. You cannot say that if I do not know this, you are wrong. What I am saying is an HR manager is right, because to make a decision, it has to be a consensus of either marketing or finance or HR. एक ये जो वर्ड है ना, मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी एजुकेशन, जो न्यू नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी है, एवरीबडी टॉक्स अबाउट अ टर्म कॉल्ड एज मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी एजुकेशन. It is very, very important for all of you to be a part of that education system, because you cannot work in silos now. Once you choose your preferred college, if you get a selection letter, start connecting and developing your network with your seniors. एक सीनियर और जूनियर की जो रिलेशनशिप है वो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड यू शुड नो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इनसाइड योर कैंपस. They will tell you who the professors are. If you want to go for marketing, if you want to go for finance, you don't have to wait for July or August to know your professors. Utilize this time. You all are fortunate because आप सब लोगों के पास LinkedIn, Instagram ये सब है. हमारे पास ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. But क्योंकि आपके पास है, तो now it is more responsibility that you utilize it and you are connecting with your seniors. Ask them about the professors, what is their teaching style, what ignites them, what kind of aptitude and attitude they look into in the class, and that will make you future ready and have you a safe landing when you start your MBA journey in July or August.